Hey guys, welcome back to vlogs. It is morning, walking Riley, like I always do. Right past school, nobody's here, it's flooded, kind of. Just chilling. Don't have any plans for the day. I don't know what I'm gonna do today. I don't know. I'm getting like this. Really, I wish there was somebody here that I could do something with, because it's so boring without anyone. I mean, I have someone, but it's not that you're not fun, Riley. It's just that I need a human person, friend, not a dog. Don't know. Alright guys, on my way to the park again, but look at this tree. It's definitely spring when the trees are in bloom and they smell. Like, no joke, the flowers on this tree, they smell terrible when they bloom. It's just a thing that they do, but to the park again. And I asked Allison to go, but she has to catch up on her shows because she's boring. So yeah, whatever. Let's go again. Might go to a different park. I don't know. We'll see. Alright, here I am, different park. Check it out. Chilling. Nice, relaxing day. Oh guys, that's it for the playground for today. Going home. So yeah, going on home. Still a nice day. Tomorrow it's not supposed to be that nice, but oh well. And who do we have? It's Ryan. What? And a crazy dog. Riley loves being outside. Riley. Going to Walmart. And I'm driving. And Allison's trying to steal gum.
I'm not trying to, I am.
Well, you're not doing so good at getting it. Let's go. Ready to drive. So what did you think of the selection of stuff here in Walmart? Nothing.
They had two things.
Yeah. No good amiibo. I didn't even bother vlogging. All garbage.
They had those ice people and Barbie's husband, Ken.
No.
Yeah,
they had the ice climbers and Ken.
Yeah.
Nothing I want.
Barbie's husband or boyfriend.
What?
I don't even know if they're married.
Whatever, let's head back. Hey guys, so it's the next day, and well, it's now next day, and it's kind of disgusting out. It's terrible. It's like 50 degrees, and it's kind of drizzly. It's just not a nice day whatsoever. But I'm just gonna do what I can inside. Maybe I'll watch some movies, catch up on my gaming, just hang out, do what I can. Although the only thing I can really say is, you know what they say, April showers bring May flowers. So yeah, I guess. But yeah, I gotta get dressed, and it's almost noon. So yeah, I'll just also I gotta charge this camera. But yeah, so see ya. Alright guys, just playing some Legend of Zelda Breath of the Wild. I love this game, it's so awesome. Favorite Zelda game. hands down. Anyway, let's get going. Well guys, that's it for this video. If you enjoyed this video, give this a like, consider subscribing if you have not. And I'll see you guys in the next episode. Sorry I didn't really do much for today. It was like just a disgusting day, not good. Anyway, so, goodbye.